to rate your cup of tea?
Pardon?
Because I don't make tea. Is that a good colour?
From looks, 6 so far.
That's an excellent tea colour.
There's some weak ass tea.
No, it's not.
It's. I need to teach you.
That's not bad, is it?
It's insipid.
Can I try
That's strong, it's black.
No, but it hasn't. The tea has not been allowed to
Oh my God,
do its
it's
magic.
Perfect.
It's not.
I look like a proper like Love Islander, don't
You look
I?
like a proper-
Small person. Oh. Okay.
You can't say that.
Oh, I just snorted. I look like a Love Islander in a blazer and a dress. Don't you think I look like I'm...
No.
No, okay.
Oh, they're always in bikinis.
Yeah, but in the evening around the fire pit.
They have blazers on.
Well, yeah, this is just their sort of
I just
vibe,
always
isn't
see
it?
them in little
Like a
dresses.
white-
I think the dress is very Love Island,
like
yeah.
a white-
Actually a bit more classy.
Never
than
speak
Love
to you
Island.
Kennedy on that show.
Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So due to popular demand, my mum and dad are back on the channel. In fact, I think it was only 2 videos ago that you were last on it. I think it's like twice.
Made an appearance.
Yeah, it's like twice in 4 weeks. Very lucky. So today we're going to...
Lockdown fringe going on, sorry.
So today we are going to be doing a video where my mum and dad react to my Opoly dresses. Now, have you ever heard about... Do you know what Opoly is?
Yeah, I've got loads of them.
So Opoly make like clubbing, going out dresses, so I thought this would be more of an interesting video to get both of your opinions on. Last video was very, cute spring dresses. These ones are a little bit...
Yeah, with some nice things like
These are more like clubbing.
things I liked.
Yeah.
Rare.
Yeah.
I think they're very small.
What, these new ones?
And see-through.
Oh.
No, they're not too bad, they're not too bad. So without further ado, let's get started.
I'm looking forward to when she's married with babies and she does some dressing up the babies thing. I'll be well on for that. Even I will buy the clothes for that.
I'm looking forward to when she learns how to make a decent cup of coffee.
Emma Hun, watch yourself. That is the last time I try and be a nice daughter and make my mother a cup of coffee.
Yeah.
It hasn't got 10 tons of
Sweetness.
coffee in it.
Oh.
No, it's not got a sweetness in it. I don't think it's just made strong.
I just washed my face in something called an enzyme gel. I have no idea if you're meant to wash your face in it.
At least it's not a shampoo.
Yeah. It looks really expensive, but okay, in the bathroom there's never any soap. There's all these things. I don't know what any of them are. Anyway, don't tell her because it looks really expensive.
Yeah, the shelf is straight.
I put it up, so yeah. Thank you. God, I always want to give out the criticism. How many shelves have you ever put up?
Quite a few.
Close your eyes. Your eyes.
Oh!
Open.
That's so see-through.
It is see-through.
That's so see-through.
It's supposed to be see-through.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah.
There's no mistaking that. Turn round.
Not overreacting, I'm just like,
Turn round. Jesus Christ.
I'm not even looking.
It's supposed to be knee length, and I would wear it knee length, like the mesh stretches, but then it really shears it out.
Yeah.
So for your sake, and because I don't want to get demonetized, I have pulled it up so it is a lot,
I think
there's
it's
more
just
coverage. Bit rude.
Yeah.
I really like it. I think it's pretty because it is see-through, but it's
Well, where would you wear it to though?
a club.
Yeah, and what?
Oh.
Like here, I can just see all your hip.
No.
It's kind of.
Yeah, it's just
too much.
Yeah.
In
Next.
fact, it would be all right. I
You
think
could
if it
always
had a
put
bit
a
of
slip
lining
skirt underneath
it.
Yeah, that would be good. Or
But,
over
and
it.
the top half is fine. It's this bit.
For a 19-year-old girl, I'm not expecting
It's
you
got
and
like a
how
thongy
it's
bum thing on it. Though,
I know.
isn't it? Not even a
I
full
think you do
bottom,
this to
not
just
even full
upset me.
coverage.
Because you don't go out and stuff like that. Not that I know of, anyway.
I don't go out.
No. Well, no one's going out at the moment.
Okay, so
this is all to hurt me.
Right,
out
out
of
of
10.
10, I'm afraid I'd have to give it a 3 because of the transparency.
Okay.
But it is beautifully made and I love the colour.
Yeah.
But it's just too rude.
Build quality 10. Very
This
well
isn't
made.
sponsored, by the way.
Oh,
It's not. This
then
isn't sponsored.
2.
Okay, next outfit. Okay, you're gonna want to close your eyes.
You imagine, look.
I know I'm not looking. I'm not looking. No.
Okay, open.
I'm going for the strategic reveal.
Nice.
Right. I'm going to open them eyes here and then slowly. And if I don't like it, I'm just turning away. It's a bit short. Yeah, that's not so bad. I like that.
You can pull it down.
It's not too
Yeah,
short.
yeah.
That's
Another,
beautiful.
yeah, there you go.
Really flattering.
Floss, I really like that.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Turn around.
In terms of, you know.
That's just beautiful.
Because
Really
it's a
beautiful.
bit, it's a bit more interesting for a little black
It's
dress,
so
isn't
twinkly
it?
as well.
It's so
But it's
twinkly,
really
yeah.
easy to like kind of throw
Put it
on.
down. Push it down again.
Okay. With a few nice, you know, gold necklaces. I think
Yeah,
it's
yeah, no, it's really nice.
dark tan.
What would you wear on top of it?
A big black oversized blazer, I think.
Yeah.
Like a big grandad, big shoulder pads.
Double-breasted
Lots
kind
of
thing.
gold necklaces. Maybe my hair in like a low bun as well. Or like a low pony.
It's gorgeous. Really nice.
Yeah, very
It's
beautiful.
really nice.
Yeah.
Classic, just can't go wrong.
Perfect.
So would you rate it out of 10?
10.
Yeah, yeah, I give that 10.
Oh,
Yeah,
perfect.
that's
It's
good.
so sparkly.
I give it 11 if it was an inch longer.
Okay. It's
Yeah.
longer.
That's not short.
Look at the quads on the gal. Cool. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, you like Usain Bolt. Hmm? Those boots. Oh, the half one colour, half. Yeah, they're not a good buy. That was a bit of a fashion faux pas, I think. I could cut the toes out and wear them myself.
It's not that untidy, this bedroom. When you consider the carnage it causes to the rest of the house. Within seconds.
Well,
She
you
keeps
know,
her own room quite nice.
It's like a puppy. They don't poo in their basket, do they? Yeah, they just do it everywhere else.
Yeah.
This could go one of two ways with Daddy because it's her
Oh.
favourite colour.
Ah, it
But-
would be orange then.
No. Okay, open.
Right.
Oh wow.
You've seen this one. I wore this in my most recent video and I had so many questions on it.
I like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got good coverage ability, great colour. Could
Beautiful
we
colour.
accessorise it with some brown and some white? Do you want to get a white Browns jersey? Go with it?
No, absolutely not.
It's nice.
Walk into the club with the helmet on.
I like that colour, but you need a tan, don't you?
Oh my god, for your next Browns thing, you could go in this with a helmet. His cheerleader.
What, he could wear it or you could wear it.
Ooh.
It's nice. I like it. Well, you
It's
know.
flattering, isn't it?
But yeah, you need a tan with that.
Right, so what would you rate it out of
Nothing
10?
wrong with being pale though.
No, there's nothing wrong with being pale.
I'd give it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
It's orange.
orange.
This is his
Yeah.
favourite
If it was like pink, it'd be oh god no.
You're very tanned. How did you manage that? How
This
did you
ain't
get
real.
those genes in our family?
This
Do you not
ain't
smell
real.
it?
Huh?
Do you not
smell
smell in this room?
No.
I smell the fake tone.
I can't smell much.
Biscuits and apricots.
I could be covidious.
Okay, right, next outfit.
I reckon when I was her age at 19, I had approximately, in terms of volume, quantity of clothing items, about 3% of what Flossie
She does have a lot,
has. Yeah.
Flossie.
Sorry.
Disgusting.
So that's about it. You can take the girl out of. I don't know. I don't have anything to finish that
I'm
one.
gonna
Okay,
stick
open.
with the.
A nude moment.
Yeah, it's nice, but it's just not as nice as the others.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a bit too nude.
Butterscotchy.
Maybe
Yeah.
I just need a darker tan.
Yeah,
Never too
but
much.
it's, yeah, I think it's just
Well,
the other
I
one.
don't think it was like skin coloury, oh, can't look at it kind of colour.
I think the last ones were so amazing that just looks a bit sort of
Maybe-
bland.
But
But I
nice on
quite liked
holiday
how
in the
simple
evening.
it is.
We know in the evening.
I wouldn't
you've
wear
got
these
tan.
on holiday because
Why?
I'm going out to eat. I'm going to, you know what I mean?
You know, everybody eats.
Yeah, I know, but I just don't want to wear.
I think people worry about things like that too much. You
You
know,
tell them. How would you tell them?
if you've eaten a meal and your belly's a little
Turn
bit,
around and face me.
little more out.
Tell them.
Turn
Open
around
your
and face
jeans.
me. It is really beautiful. It's just, yeah, it's
It's
just
nicely made.
less striking than the last two because of the colour. But it's a beautiful design.
Yeah, I
It's so
think even
flattering.
this with a nice
Well,
big,
Really well made.
What are
nice
the
big
colours, Vicky?
blazer. They're so nice. They're so like stretchy
Yeah.
and form hugging, and even when the dress is on the hanger, it still holds shape.
Really beautiful.
Okay,
But
well,
just really unstated after the orange one was so kind of pow
okay.
in your
Yeah,
face.
I quite
Just wait
like
till the
it.
next
Yeah.
one.
Okay, I'll give it an 8.
8.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd give it the same.
Okay. Cool.
Because I think if you're on holiday at night time, your tan always looks darker anyway, doesn't it? So
Yeah.
it'd be,
I think it's nice with like brown hair, but it would also be nice with blonde hair actually
Mhm.
as well, wouldn't it? It's just like 50
Nice
shades of
with
brown.
anything,
or
yeah.
no hair.
Yeah, do you want to model
Same.
that? If you want more
Very
pizzazz,
pretty.
I'll bring out the next one.
Pizzazz.
Pizzazz.
can't remember the last time I dressed with pizzazz.
She gets all her pizzazz from me.
Right, I don't use this term lightly, but the vibes are immaculate. Okay, open. It's my favourite one. I feel like a shimmering queen.
Right, that's a fun party dress, isn't it?
Turn to face
It's
me.
just like, when have you seen something like this?
Never. I have to sometimes sort of detach myself from that it's you and think, how would I think if I saw somebody else in it?
It's very, you know, if you went to some
Walk
sort
in a
of
club and it's
cool-
like, oh, you
oh,
can't
club.
touch me. No, like, do you know what I mean?
No.
Do you know what, like, you can't,
No.
it's like, you can't get on my level. Like, you're not on my level. Like, but in like a,
But
I'm
that's
so
a little
cool.
bit.
No, not, it's not like a, it's not like to boys, it's just like hair flick, you know?
I don't.
Do you know what I mean? It's like Beyonce energy. When I go out, my main thing is like, I just always want to look glow. I want to look like I'm glowing, and I highlight, and I'm tanned, and even I put highlight on my shoulders, and this just adds to the glow.
It's amazing fabric.
No, it's, you know,
And
it's,
kind of, because it looks
fun.
like plastic, but it's not.
Because
Oh,
it
right.
looks
fabric.
like
It's a knitted,
so
it's a knitted fabric, isn't it? So it's quite incredible.
it's fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice. It's very nice. It's just, it wouldn't be my cup of tea.
Imagine it's like 18th birthday dress.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
It
yeah.
just, it's very stunning. It just wouldn't be my cup of tea. I like
Okay.
sort of things to be a bit
I'm not-
plainer,
yeah.
blingy.
A bit plain, a
Yeah.
bit more linen.
Yeah, a bit more linen.
Darling, darling. What would you rate it out of 10?
Okay, I'd give it an 8.
Me?
Mhm.
8. Yeah.
Okay, cool. On to the
Right.
next one. Beauty and the Beast. Open your eyes.
I'm not sure what it's trying to be, that dress, really.
Do you like it?
I love it. The whole milkmaidy thing is a trend, and it has
Does
been.
it go on the shoulder, those?
No, they're meant to be off. I'm so surprised. I really thought this was going to be your favourite because it's sweet. It's sweet, it's girly.
I think it's a bit weird.
What, with the arm sleeves?
Yeah.
I don't think Will would like this because I don't think he likes
Yeah, what is this? What's this about?
You could are they interchangeable, the sleeve bits?
No, but I guess if
Get
you
like a
really
tap
hated them,
sleeve.
you could cut them off. So
Mm.
imagine it.
It's like it should be stuck to the front of a ship now.
It's kind of sweet, but not sweet because you've got all your shoulders out and it's short and it's boned and there's so it's kind of I don't know what it's trying to do.
No offense, guys, you know, but I don't think like your Polly's like target market. I'm sure everyone else watching this will
I
love
think it's
this
a lovely
dress.
brand. Yeah, and I think if I saw you at a garden party or something.
Garden
well, I can't go to
party?
garden parties, don't know what I think I am. I'd kind of think, wow, she looks amazing. It's not my favourite thing that you've worn today.
It's different. It's
Yeah,
a little
it's
bit
absolutely
different.
different.
But then I think you'd be surprised at how not different this is if you like walked into Moose on
Okay.
Friday night.
beautifully
Beautifully
made. It's all of the stuff that you've put on today has been so well made. Really
Straight
nice.
facts. Emma coming through with the O-level textiles.
A-level.
Oh, sorry.
A-level. A for advanced.
Okay, what did you get in textiles? What did you get?
Let's just say
What did you get?
Was there a pass?
What did you
it
get?
was a pass.
What did you get?
Barely.
C or D?
It's a bit naughty.
Got a D. Okay, right, last outfit, ladies and gents.
We got 80
Fact.
A-levels.
You're gonna
No, I just
You know,
got shit
If
A-levels.
you got E or above, you were happy.
This last item is a bodysuit. Open your eyes. How can you be unsure on this? What is not to like?
What's that thing you're
This is
holding
really
there?
low. Turn around to look at me.
What's
Yeah,
supposed to
I
be?
just want to quick it up.
And the
But
back,
You should save this stuff for just mum.
pretty scoop. I just think this is the sort of thing. It's like everyone needs a bodysuit like
It's
this.
very nice. It's very plain.
Everyone
I
needs
just prefer if it was slightly higher.
because you're a mother.
Hmm?
Because you're a mother.
Yeah.
I feel like everyone needs a bodysuit like this to just like
Yeah,
if you're going
I
out.
don't really like plungy necklines though.
Yeah, Emma's not a fan of the plunge. If you would know
On
that,
anyone.
if you've
to be
been
honest.
here from previous video. But a bodysuit like this is essential. I feel like if you don't know the vibes, throw this on with a pair of jeans. Even like these, I think it looks cool with like a white pair of jeans, black pair of jeans, then a pair of jeans. Wear nice necklaces. Whoa, the Gloucestershire accent really jumped out with me then. Some nice gold hoops, lots of gold jewellery, do your hair. Easy, but nice. And I also got this top, but it's just way too small.
Look at that. No.
Well, it's just too small.
You would not wear that without something underneath it.
The booby cups.
Oh, just save this stuff for when I'm not in a video.
I don't count. So I'd size up in this.
That does look like a bit of underwear to me though. Is that supposed to be an outerwear piece?
Oh, it's like a clubbing sort of top.
You'd wear like there's something black under it like that.
No.
Oh.
What's it they say? Save a little something for the imagination.
Yeah, absolutely.
Do you know what that saying radiates?
What?
Boomer energy. There is just so much boomer energy in this room right
so
now.
When your daughter has a YouTube channel and I can't wait to sit back, pour myself a little drink and watch your reactions.
Do you like that coffee?
It's a bit strong.
What, the coffee?
Yeah.
Oh. Welcome to a flossie.clegg coffee.
Okay, we done?
Yeah, I just need to film the outro. So which one was your favourite?
Black
the
one.
black. Sparkly.
Not the orange.
No, black.
Black one was really,
Sorry.
really special.
Isn't it?
It's on my breath.
Have to.
It's a really coffee.
Fuck. It's garlic and coffee.
I haven't had any garlic
Make
today.
me rich.
Garlic stays.
Garlic.
Oh, come on, I want to get on with them things.
Oh, cute.
Oh dear, okay. So thank you everyone for watching. I really hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. You can subscribe if you would like to see more from me. I will have all these clothing items listed in the description box down below. I love you all so much. Don't forget to go and follow me on my Instagram. I have it in my description box. And yeah, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.
Bye.